Jim, let's talk about the actual installation of the manifold system, and I guess it makes sense to start right here at the control.
It sure does, Andy. I've already turned off the power and removed the screws from the front panel so we can take a look. What you have here is the manifold controller and the primary circuit board. An additional circuit board will allow you to manifold up to 20 units. With this system, as it is right here, you can manifold up to 6. Each one of these cables is connected to the individual water heaters in the system. And if you'll go ahead and remove the cover from that first water heater there,
All right,
we'll
screws
take a look.
are off.
And what we've done, you'll see the cables connected through the water heater here at the bottom, and it's a simple plug right here to connect it to the water heater, like so.
Nice and neat.
Yep.
Okay. And I noticed the remote control device looks very much the same as well.
It is. In fact, with this one remote control wired to the manifold control, it will control the temperature and monitor the system for all the water heaters.
Great. Now, how about the plumbing?
The plumbing is pretty simple. What you'll see here is we've got our gas connections here, our gas line. This is our cold water inlet and our hot water outlet here. We've made sure that all of our lines are sized properly to meet the demand and sized properly for the application.
All right. Now, I was noticing up top, the venting is very much the same as the residential models.
It is the same, but it's important to note that it's not tied together. It's very important that each one of these units has its own vent system.
Okay. Speaking of venting, are the heavy-duty models available for outdoor installation?
Yes, they are, and they can be manifolded in much the same way.
Great. Now, what about the startup of the whole system?
The startup process is very simple, but it's important to note, always pay attention to the instructions in the use and care manual and also the manifold control instructions that are provided with that.
Okay, great.